If you are super excited about riding a horse for the first time and wondering what you can do to prepare so something like this doesn't happen, or maybe you just bought a new horse and you're going to ride it for the first time and you want to do a little preparation first, here are some 3 great exercises that will help you get a start more like this. Exercise 1, control the shoulders. This exercise, we're moving the shoulders away from us, and we're doing that with positioning and precise footsteps. To start, your position should be next to your horse in his neck area, with your hand below his chin on the lead rope, facing forward. To cue the turn, you're going to cluck and then move in the direction of the arc of the turn. With horses who've never done this before, you're going to have to start with 1 step, then stop and release. Keep an eye on your horse's body position. With your hand below his chin, his back and neck should be straight. If not, take a stomp towards his shoulder to get them to move. Notice how he automatically pivots on the back foot when his body's straight and his shoulders are moving away from me. Exercise 2, control the hindquarters. In this exercise, we'll move the hindquarters away from us by directing all of our energy towards the stifle joint and walking directly at it. You will also need to plant your lead hand on your hip to get him to swing his hips away. As soon as he steps away with his hindquarters, stop, release, pet him. Exercise 3, backing up. Just like with all the other exercises, as you step towards your horse, he should step away. If he doesn't, stomp in his direction and he should move back. If you've been working on some of the other exercises, like moving the shoulders and the hips, there's a chance that they might think that's what you're trying to tell them to do. Just be patient with them and counteract their steps to get them to straighten out and step back.
If you found this video helpful, then give me a like at the bottom of the screen and subscribe to my channel for more horsemanship tips and tricks, and visit our website and blog for more advice on how to handle and get along and improve your equine experience with your horses, donkeys, and mules.